Alright guys, I got the new door handle on the inside, and the entire assembly for that, and that connects to up there. I got those 3 screws out. Alright guys, so if you pull back this plastic right here, there's a hole, and inside the hole you also got to take off this bolt right here holding the glass, this little thing out holding the glass. So you take that bolt out and you will be able to move it to the side, and you see that bolt there, you'll be able to get to the bolt that way. I forgot to tell you guys, these bolts on the inside holding the door handle, they're 10 millimeters, a 10 millimeter socket. I don't know if that's for like every Ford, but for this 96 it's a 10. All right guys, finally got the handle out. Now there's gonna be that little connection that you gotta disconnect the cable or the rod that connects to this handle. I don't know if you can see it. That rod right there. I'm trying to take this thing out, but it's not like coming out. It's like stuck in place, but I can't do this with one. So you gotta, let's see if I can show you guys. So this thing right here is what the rod goes onto, and you gotta push this clip a little forward. Yeah, this part right here, a little forward, and you'll be able to get the rod out. Alright guys, so there's a rod for the door lock. So I don't know if you can see, but it's right there. That's for the door lock mechanism, and you just gotta get that rod out of there to take out this whole assembly. And you just get you a flathead, stick it in between where the rod is, and try to pop it out. All right guys, this is what I was talking about. My dumbass tried to pull the rod out of that and it broke it, so now I got some new ones, and it's pretty simple. They have L for left, and they got the pink ones for the right. I need a left one, same color as you can see. Alright guys, so what I did, just take the flathead, stick it in under this, and just pop it up. Alright guys, this is the new one that I have. What you're gonna do first is put this side in first. As you can see, it goes in that little groove right there. So like right here. Like so. Just like that, and then you gotta squeeze it and get it over that groove right here. This is gonna go over that groove. Got it in, guys. Shit. And that's how it goes. Alright guys, so to take out the whole thing, once you get the lock undone, it's gonna be like this. You take the handle, push it through here, out the top hole, and then you'll be able to pull this whole thing out. Alright guys, so this is how the rods go. The big one's on the bottom. The middle one's going to be right above it. It's going to be right above it. And then the one for the door lock is going to be right here. Now, you're going to see this little clip thing right here. You just pry the middle out and you slip it right off. And then you just put it on the new one and then push that middle part in so that it doesn't go up and come back out. Locks it in place. Alright guys, so for the new door latch assembly, you're gonna have this little one right here. See that? That needs to face like this, and that should be facing like that when you put it into the door. Make sure that you attach this to this before you put it back inside, or else you have to take it back out and restart all over. But yeah, make sure it's facing like this, goes through that hole, and the tumbler is gonna go right here, just like that. That's how it should look on the inside of the door. That and like that. Alright guys, I got the new handle on, brand new handle. That's an 8mm bolt. The inside one's an 8, and it's working. Woo! See if I lock it. That bit came right back up. see if I can show you. Lock it. And we gonna pull that bit. Unlocks. We're gonna close it. Oh yeah, guys. I forgot to tell y'all. My striker fucked up, so I gotta put another striker on there. I have the part, but I'm just gonna do this shit tomorrow. You guys can see that it's fucked up. I got a new part. I just gotta find it and put it back on. The inside, all that is connected. This is on there. This is working. I'll lock it. Oh, I don't got my keys on me, but pull this. Opens right up. Alright guys, I found the door striker bolt. This one's all fucked up because I replaced the door hinges. Door hinges were fucked up, so I put new ones in, top and bottom. Now I gotta replace that because this shit got fucked up. The door, from the door hanging down from the hinges being fucked up. So place that and see if the door will close. Alright guys, so for this is gonna be a T45 to take this out. This shit got fucked up. Out with the old, in with the new. Alright guys, I'm gonna need 2 hands, but it should be like this. Keep this over here and then tighten this. She closes and opens and closes and opens. Alright guys, now it's time to put that back on. Alright guys, so to put the door card back on, you're gonna have to take off the window lever, and you're gonna have to pull the handle out a little bit and slide the door card, slide it through this hole, and make sure you get it up and over this right here, and it will go right on. And then I think there's a screw here and there's some clips on the bottom that's supposed to hold it in place, and then there's a screw right here that goes in there, holds that down. And that's it. That's all I gotta do. Alright guys, it's getting dark. I don't got that much light at all really. I got the knob in. I think it's a T15. A T15 for this, the window lever. And yeah, it works now. Window go down. Clean. Alright guys, I got the door back on. Got the new door handle, the new door latch assembly, and then I got the new striker on. Everything works. I'm gonna lock it real fast. Use the key. Unlocks. And I ordered a new window handle because this one's like broken, like the little knob that goes on there is broken. I also ordered some clips for the bottom, because the clips that I had on there broke when I took the door off, because you know they're from like 1996. The other thing is this right here is starting to come up, so I'm gonna see if there's a way I could like have that down again. But yeah, the door's nice and sturdy, it's nice and strong. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next video.